Honor X30 Review. Honor X30 Review, another powerful smartphone will hit the market soon. It is called Honor X30. The X30 comes under the mid-range phone category and was announced on December 16, 2021. The X30 is the upgraded version of the Honor X20 with lots of unique features. The Honor X30 smartphone is currently available in the Chinese market, but there isn't a word for the global release. Speaking of design, the X30 model looks modern and very attractive. It also supports 5G connectivity in the budget price range, which is a decent choice for some users. So, let's start the detailed review of the Honor X30 smartphone. Honor X30 is a mid-range 5G smartphone, which features an IPS LCD panel that supports a refresh rate of 120 Hz. This phone is powered by a 6nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor, together with the Adreno 619 graphics card, which together ensures the device's good performance. Android 11 has support for the operating system, which is also compatible with Magic UI 5.0, which offers a lot of cool custom features and makes the user experience good. Honor X30 has a triple camera configuration. The main camera is 48MP plus a 16MP selfie camera lens. The phone has gigantic LiPo 4800 mAh battery support, backed by a 66 watts fast charger. Design and display. 4 color options are available for the Honor X30 smartphone. The colors are black, blue, silver, and gold, respectively. All colors fit perfectly into the smartphone design. However, the color black and blue is more distinct than the other two. This smartphone is thin and light, weighing less than 189 grams. The feeling will be quite pleasant when holding the device in your hand. Also, due to the lighter weight, you will be able to make voice calls without feeling pain in your palm. Come to the screen. Honor X30 has an approximate size 6.81 inches IPS LCD display panel. Interestingly, the screen has a 120 Hz refresh rate. This high refresh rate is very useful during gameplay and also aids in smooth navigation. The screen-to-body ratio is around 89.2%, and the screen has a resolution of 1080 pixels, Full HD screen. As the Honor X30 display panel is of IPS LCD type, it offers better outdoor visibility. However, the nits value is unspecified. The visual experience for movies, web series, or YouTube classes will be excellent because of the 385 ppi density. Memory and internal. Honor X30 runs on the Android 11 operating system, which is integrated with Magic UI 5.0, which offers a variety of amazing custom features. Navigation is easy for these operating systems and the overall user experience is good. By the way, you need to manage Google Play Store services manually. It doesn't come pre-installed on Honor X30. To maintain the performance level of the Honor X30, the 6nm Qualcomm SM6375 Snapdragon 695 chipset has there. The phone is built with 6nm technology and supports a 5G connection. Speaking of processor, it has an octa-core processor with a max 2x 2.2 GHz speed. Furthermore, the Adreno 619 GPU is optimized for popular Android games. The phone was then configured with 2 RAM variants, one 6GB and the other 8GB. In terms of internal storage, you can choose 128GB or 256GB. For this huge RAM size, multitasking has become very smooth on this device. It is important to note that the phone supports dual SIM, but there is no slot for an external memory card. So if you want to store lots of photos and videos on your device, if you are a vlogger, opting for 256GB might be a smarter decision. For a normal user, 128GB of internal storage is more than enough. Camera. The triple camera setup is located on the back of the Honor X30 smartphone. The primary lens is 48MP with PAF along with the 2MP macro camera as well as a 2MP depth sensor. The camera is HDR compatible and also has LED flash and panorama features. In daylight, the image quality will be excellent. However, at night the photos and videos will be a little opaque with the lens of this camera, despite having the LED flash. Up to 1080p resolution videos can be recorded at 30 fps, but there is no gyro eyes support for stable video recording. Let's move on to the front camera part. Here we have a 16MP camera lens, which is very good and can capture beautiful photos, but it lacks HDR and panorama features. Also, record videos at 30 fps with 1080p resolution similar to the rear camera. Also, there should be some AI features that will help make your memories more colorful and visually appealing. However, gyro eyes is not supported, so you may experience video stabilization issues. battery and others. The Honor manufacturer gives a gigantic battery with this Honor X30 smartphone, which is a LiPo 4800 mAh battery. The device supports a 66 watts fast charger, so you can quickly get ready to travel anywhere. The company claims the charger will charge your battery by 100% in just 45 minutes. Battery backup is also good. It can easily give you a full day of battery life, even with multimedia uses. This smartphone supports a side-mounted fingerprint. It also has a normal speaker, but it doesn't have a 3.5mm jack. Among other features, you get VLAN Bluetooth 5.1 GPS functionality with 5G support. The smartphone also supports USB Type-C 2.0 charging port and USB on the go. Let's take a look at the price of the Honor X30 smartphone. It is available in the market for around $237, 17,999 rupees in India, approx, which is quite impressive for this 5G phone. Honor X30 pros and cons. Specifications: Honor X30 network 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G announced December 2021. SIM dual SIM dimensions 6.54 by 2.98 by 0.32 inches, weight 189 grams, size 6.81 inches, display IPS LCD, 120 Hz 385 ppi, density resolution 1080 by 2388 pixels, OS Android 11, Magic UI 5.0, no Google Play Services, chipset 6 nanometers, Qualcomm SM6375, Snapdragon 695 5G CPU, octa-core 2x2.2 GHz, Creo 660 Gold GPU, Adreno 619 card slot, no RAM, 6 GB, 8 GB internal, 128 GB, 256 GB, camera 48 MP, wide, TAF 2 MP, macro 2 MP, depth, LED flash, panorama, HDR max, 1080p at 30 fps, selfie 16 MP max, 1080p at 30 fps, loudspeaker yes, 3.5mm jack, no, Bluetooth 5.1, A2DP, the USB Type-C 2.0, USB on-the-go sensors, side-mounted fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, battery LiPo 4800 mAh, fast charging 66 watts, expected price $237. Conclusion: the Honor X30 smartphone is a mid-range 5G phone. The phone comes with a good budget and the features and specs are decent in the price range. You get a 120Hz refresh rate display, high RAM, and internal storage, along with support for a powerful processor for gaming. If those are the specs you are interested in, you can definitely choose this phone. However, the phone has lost many valuable features: no HDR10+, no Gorilla Glass protection, no dust or water resistance, and low camera performance certification. Also, you cannot record 4K videos. Although this is not so important for general users. However, there is an alternative to the Honor X30 that you might be interested in on the Realme 8's 5G, so definitely check it out.